In this video, we will show you 5 proven practical ways to make money using WordPress. Let's get started. Freelancing with WordPress. First, let's talk about freelancing. Still one of the fastest ways to start earning with WordPress. Thousands of clients hire freelancers every single day for design, customization, SEO, and website maintenance. Just look at the live job listing on popular freelance platforms. Some pay $100 for small fixes, while others offer thousands for full-site builds. You can also offer fixed-price packages on Fiverr. For example, WordPress speed optimization for $50 or landing page setup for $100. Next up, maintenance services. Maintenance services is one of the most reliable ways to create recurring income. Most clients don't want to log into their websites every week to update plugins or fix errors. That's where you come in. With a dashboard like this, you can manage dozens of websites from one place, run updates, check uptime, schedule backups, and monitor performance. You can charge clients monthly or yearly depending on their needs. For example, a basic plan might include plugin updates and backups for $30 a month. A standard plan might add malware scanning and uptime monitoring for $75. And a premium plan could include priority support, small content edits, and monthly reports for $150 or more. Once you onboard a few clients, your revenue becomes stable, even if you're not actively working every hour. This model scales beautifully because you can automate most tasks using tools like ManageWP, MainWP, or even your own custom scripts. Plus, offering maintenance gives you an advantage. Many clients will later hire you for redesigns or new features. So you're not only earning recurring income, you're building long-term relationships, selling themes and plugins. The third way to make money with WordPress is by creating and selling your own products, themes, or plugins. This is where creativity meets scalability. Some developers have sold over 20,000 copies of a single theme. Imagine earning even a few dollars per sale. But you don't need to build the next big theme to get started. Start small, for example, a simple plugin that adds a custom block or a lightweight theme designed for a specific niche, say restaurant websites or fitness trainers. Upload it to WordPress.org for free to gain visibility. Then release a premium version with extra features. That's how many successful developers grow their audience and sales. You can sell directly from your website using tools like WooCommerce, Easy Digital Downloads, or Freemius. Or upload to marketplaces like ThemeForest and CodeCanyon. Yes, this path takes time, but once your product gains traction, you earn passive income even while you sleep, as long as you maintain and support it. Now let's talk about blogging and affiliate marketing, a proven long-term strategy for creators who love sharing knowledge. If you enjoy writing about WordPress tools, hosting providers, or tech news, this can become a serious income stream. Here's an example article from our experimental blog. Inside, you can add affiliate links to hosting companies and WordPress plugins you genuinely use. Whenever someone clicks and makes a purchase, you'll earn a small commission. Your blog traffic is your biggest asset. Focus on writing SEO-friendly posts that answer real user questions. Things like best free WordPress SEO plugins or how to speed up your website. As your traffic grows, your affiliate clicks and ad impressions grow too. Affiliate networks make tracking easy. You can log in anytime to see clicks, conversions, and earnings. And when your blog reaches consistent traffic, you can add AdSense, Mediavine, or direct banner ads for extra revenue. It takes effort, but once your content ranks, it keeps long after you've written it. That's why so many WordPress users treat blogging as a digital asset that pays for years. Memberships and courses. The fifth and final method is building your own membership or online course site. If you have valuable knowledge, maybe web design, digital marketing, or even WordPress itself, you can teach it. Platforms like Tutor LMS and LearnDash make it easy to organize lessons, videos, and quizzes. You can offer a monthly membership or charge once for lifetime access. Integrate payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, or WooCommerce subscriptions, and your site automatically handles payments and renewals. For example, you might charge $10 a month for basic tutorials or $99 for a complete course bundle. Once your content is ready, it can generate consistent revenue while helping your audience grow. This method not only earns you money, but also builds authority in your niche. Your students become loyal followers who may later hire you for premium services or consulting. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to make money with WordPress. Freelancing, maintenance services, selling themes and plugins, blogging and affiliate marketing, and memberships or courses. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this from WP Giz. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.